Good morning, traders. Welcome to Wednesday. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's time to track down what's going on with the major currency pairs. It's very interesting week. Definitely, we have again Brexit vote. Is it going to be delayed? Is it not going to be delayed? Nobody knows, actually, to be honest with you. They're still discussing that. To get back after the Brexit deal to this topic, and just that's what I'm always telling you. Euro and GBP, definitely be careful when you trade Euro and Great British Pound in the next couple of days. So quick recap about the economic calendar. Core retail sales yesterday, very rate for the Canadian dollar. Existing home sales rate for the US. We have today crude oil inventories. Crude oil is very interesting commodity right now for trading. We're gonna discuss it in about a couple of minutes. And Thursday, tomorrow, we have interest rate decision in European zone, ECB interest rate decision, 11:45 GMT. Today is the crude oil, 2:30 p.m. GMT for the crude oil inventories report. New home sales tomorrow, 2 p.m. So the calendar is full of economic events. As usual, Euro US dollar, we start with the first major currency pair. As you can see, it's trying to bounce back to the downside. We reached the support level 1.1116. We've been expecting this. It's not surprise, but still very unpredictable. Definitely not good idea to take any shorts on the Euro US dollar just because of this 2-3 days drop. So be careful when you trade, buy or sell trades, doesn't matter. GBP US, we spoke about it, we've been expecting strong drop to the downside of the Great British Pound, correction or maybe continuation of the downtrend. It's pretty interesting. Again, be careful because nobody knows what's gonna happen with this Brexit situation. Whatever they tell you, I'm telling you, nobody knows. They can exit 31st of October or they can delay it, and it's one big mess. So don't put yourself in the middle of the storm, as I love to say. Australia and US reach the resistance 0.6862. As you can see, it's trying to push lower. I'm gonna leave exactly the same levels as before. 0.6829 as my support, 0.6862 as my resistance. We definitely can see breakout of this support and continuation to the downside. The price almost reached significant resistance level around this level, around the 0.69 round number. We're not there yet, but definitely we can see further drop of the Australian dollar. New Zealand, US looks a little bit more clear and a little bit more potential than the Australian dollar. We got a downtrend. We are having a downtrend in the New Zealand US dollar, and as you can see, strong sell-off here yesterday. Just from the top to the bottom, and we can see further drop in order the price to reach and to test 0.6348. So it's quite possible to see the support. I would say it's a good shorting opportunity. Trade it tight because we got very strong bullish momentum, so we can see this decline is just profit taking decline, and after that continuation to the upside, we have a strong resistance to push the price going even further down. But for now, just I'm gonna wait to see how the price is gonna move in the next couple of hours. Then probably I'm gonna take my decision. New Zealand, USD CAD going first on the crude oil. Let's see, take a look. The price yesterday tried to push higher day before the crude oil inventories. According to the forecast, we expect to see green crude oil inventories today. Nobody knows, of course, what exactly is going to be the report. Reached the resistance level 54.82, strong resistance level, tested here, and quite obviously declined and respected the resistance, declined immediately with almost 50 cents here. Still bullish on the crude oil, and still I'm expecting to see breakout of the 54.82. It's a matter of time to see it. If we see breakout, definitely there is a lot of potential to see crude oil growing up even further more. Just crude oil inventories is going to give the direction of the crude oil today, I believe so. If we see crude oil breaking out the resistance, absolutely. We saw a drop of USD Canadian 2 days ago on Monday, and right now trying to recover a little bit. Definitely wouldn't take any buy trades on the USD Canadian for now, simply because of the potential growth of the crude oil. It's a matter of time to see, and after that, if we see crude oil breaking out, definitely we can see continuation of this drop on the USD CAD. So I'm gonna leave my levels the same. 1.30, 3130 is my resistance. It was support level. Right now my resistance, and I'm gonna looking for good short entries of the USD CAD. USD Swiss, my favorite, and quite obviously again tested the support very clearly. As you can see, we can consider this as a false breakout because it went 2-3 pips right below it, and after that slight and quick, I would say quick correction. USD Swiss is heading to the resistance 0.99 round number. Definitely I'm gonna looking for short trades on the USD Swiss in the upcoming days. This is gonna be very interesting trade, very interesting opportunity, simply because USD Swiss right now is one of my favorite currency pairs, and it's respecting all the support and resistance levels very clearly. Just the price action is very clear. We have a downtrend, parity level, and just I'm gonna repeat that even though we are far away from the parity level. We have 4 false breakouts and going down, tested again almost at the parity level, strong drop to the downside, upward momentum. We're waiting right now to test the resistance and continuation to the downside. Short around the round number 0.99 or short on the breakout 0.9842 are two very good opportunities, two very good entries. USD Japanese trying to push lower. We discussed the resistance zone between 109.00 round number, 108.48 support, and as you can see the price is right now is fluctuating around these levels here, so it's trying to push lower. Pretty believe we're gonna see the price going down of the USD Japanese. So after this strong upward momentum, but the trend is down, we have resistance zone, so definitely there is potential to see USD Japanese going down. So USD Japanese, USD Swiss, USD CAD, and crude oil definitely in my focus. Very interesting, guys. Follow them, put them on the radar because they can give us very good opportunities. Welcome, of course, thank you very much for watching, guys. Enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, get back to me, of course. Comments below, shares and likes on the social medias. And of course, have a very profitable week. Enjoy.